Letter writing format, formal and informal letter writing style for high school students. In this video, part 1 deals with formal letters. There is a part 2 which deals with informal letters. What is letter writing? A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on printed paper or just a paper. It is usually written between friends, relatives, hired officials, authorities and organizations to convey message in appropriate way. There are two types of letters, formal letters, informal letters. Formal letters are written to make a complaint, to request something, to make an inquiry, to apply for a job, proposal, reference or just a formal invitation. Informal letters are written to friends, relatives, parents, cousins and to pen friends. Now we will deal with the formal letter writing. A formal letter is an official letter. It is a letter written for official purpose or reason. What is a formal letter? These letters are written to discuss business, apply for services, make requests, file or register complaints, etc. The foundation of these letters and categorization depends upon what is being discussed in the letters. The letters are short and to the point. The formulation of formal letters, letters of application, official letters and letters to the editor. How should the letter be organized or formatted? Typically, every letter has a particular format. Here, formal letters do follow a consistent set of general expectations. Common formal letter conventions include date, inside address, salutations, body or context, closing, signature, enclosures if any are applicable. Format of writing a formal letter. Your tone should be formal and appropriate for the audience to which you are writing. Page layout will vary between writing context, but typically you want 1-inch margin on all sides with line spaces between each component of the letter and a single line space between paragraphs. When writing to somebody whose name you do not know, example, you are writing to manager, use Dear Sir and yours faithfully in the ending. A formal letter generally uses the family name in the greeting. For example, Dear Miss Tan. Certain organizations may, however, use a first name with a family name or even a first name alone, just like Dear Jane. If the sender includes a reference, it is helpful to quote it in your reply. Now, here is a sample copy of formal letter, which shows you the format of writing a formal letter. Towards the left-hand side, address of a recipient, then continues with date, which after that salutations and greetings like dear, respected, sir, whatever. Then subject headline. As this is a formal letter, we need to write the subject headline. Then the reason for writing the letter, further details if you want to quote into the letter, request for the response from the particular recipient to whom you are writing it, ending, address of sender. Here is a layout of formal letter, which helps you to get an idea of how a letter format should be when you have written it on a paper or if you draft it. Thank you for watching this video.